Hi, I'm Carly. Uso na jud karon ang mahimong busy. Pero, dili dapat pasabot ana na stress pud tatanawon. So, I'm going to show to you how to take care of your skin using the Beautederm Facial Set. I start my day by freshening up my face with the Beautederm Facial Wash. Na siya'y soft brush para matanggal jud ang deep-seated dirt. Next, I use the Beautederm Papain Soap. Nani siya'y orange peel and papaya extracts with vitamin C para matanggal ang dead skin cells. Karon, mag-apply na ko og Beautederm Day and Night Toner. This helps reduce pore size and removes unhealthy toxins from the skin. I never leave the house without applying the Beautederm Day Cream. Nani siya'y SPF 60 og natural zinc oxide that keeps my skin moisturized, smooth, and healthy all day. After work, maskin unsa nako kakapoy, I make sure I pamper my face. Dili na ko kalimtan nga mag-facial wash, papain soap o day and night toner para matanggal ang hugaw sa tibuok adlaw. Kinahanglan pud mawala ning dark circles. To erase them, I use the Beautederm Under Eye Cream that tightens skin and reduces fine lines. Next, I apply the Beautederm Whitening Cream. Nawala jud ang akong dark circles, old pimple marks, and blemishes tungod ani. I wait for 5 minutes para ma-absorb sa skin. Then I apply the Beautederm Moisturizing Cream. Light lang siya o dili greasy. Your skin will really feel soft and dewy in the morning. I wait for another 5 minutes. And lastly, I apply the Beautederm Anti-Aging Cream. Nani collagen and placenta para ma-repair ang damaged cells. Look young, stay young! So don't let your busy schedule ruin your skin. Be proud. Beautederm ni.